I'm John Weber with Weber Body Shop out of Victoria, Kansas. Just finished up our 57 Chevy Bel Air convertible. Less than 100 miles on it. Up front we did a new GM LT1 power plant, 460 horse, 455 pounds of torque. Set it down in a cool engine bay that we handcrafted, built from scratch, one of a kind. Hammered and finished it out. Come up with some kind of creative idea to make it flow throughout the whole car. All the chrome on the car has been all refurbished, replaced, or re-chromed, or straightened and repolished. The color we got on the car is a 2014 BMW color with red leather interior, which kind of flows with the car real well. And it also has a black hards cloth top. We try and make them tasteful, but yet real classy is the idea on this car here. We wanted a classy look, and I think we really touched the mark with the classy look with the red, black, and gray combo. It really flows good together, I feel, and so far we've had a lot of good response on it. The car is done 100% in my shop, all the way from the mechanicals, the body, down to the interior. But the only thing we don't do in it is I don't sew the seats, but I design the seats. I got a upholstery guy that does all my sewing. Car sets on a set of 20-inch rears and 19-inch fronts, and they're the billet raceline wheel. Car rides on an Art Morrison chassis.
I'm Art Morrison, and you're watching K-Dog Films.
We carry the interior over into the trunk. Same idea, same concept in the trunk and everything, so it kind of flows from front to back. We use stainless button heads throughout the car to kind of flow it together, which kind of brings a nice, like jewelry to it, I guess you'd say. On the interior, we use a LED accented light, which is kind of the thing that's out there now. Everybody wants to use LEDs for everything, and it really sets a nice tone off on the interior, pops some nice color. We use that in the interior and likewise in the trunk, and also under the engine compartment, kind of light it up. We brought it out here to Barrett-Jackson to see if we can't do well with it.
Sell the car right here, sell the car right here, sell the car right here.